Extracurricular activities 課外活動 Gardening 園藝 Skipping 跳繩 Choir 合唱團 Percussion 敲擊樂 Chess 棋藝 Chinese dance 中國舞 Has your son applied for the extracurricular activity yet? 你個仔報咗課外活動未啊？ Not yet. He wants to apply for choir and also Chinese dance. 未啊，佢想報合唱團，又想報中國舞。未啊，佢想報合唱團，又想報中國舞。There is a chance in schedule crashing. 有可能撞時間喎。That's right. So let's leave it to his decision first. 就係囉，所以等佢決定先。